How many of you remember what was the angle? I have already told in this video also regarding this angles. है ना? So you see, angle R, P and T is given. So we had written all three angles because all three angles equal to what? 180 degree. So we had put the value of R 40 degree, value of the P 95, value of the T we have to find. So adding this two we got 135. So here we got 180. 180 we transfer this side become 45. Now what we will do? Now we can do one thing. This angle we got how much? This is the 45. This is also 45. Vertically opposite angle. So this angle will be STQ. Which one angle? STQ. So can we write RTB equal to STQ?
Yes.
But never write T angle. Why will not write a T angle here?
Both sides.
Because T, half the part of T is on the other triangle, half the part of T is on the other triangle. So never write angle T. Because T is divided into two parts. Understood?
Yes.
So we'll write here angle R T P equal to angle S T Q equal to how much? 45. And in the bracket we write vertically opposite and bracket is the short form of vertical opposite angles. Now this 45 we got. Now we take the angle S T Q. Right in triangle. Which triangle? STQ. So here STQ equal to 45. This is the 75. The name of the 75 is TSQ. And here TQS. Equal to how much? This we will put 45. This is how much? 75. Here. So 45 plus 75. 45 plus 75 how much? 120. 120 plus how much? Equal to how much? 180. Now we can do one thing. This 180 we can subtract from 120. So what is the answer? 60 is the answer. You can write TQS is equal to 180 minus 120. It is equal to how much? 60 degrees is the answer for the first question. Now question number 3. Can I have this one? Yes. Rough?
PRD is given and PQS. Let us consider.
Now next question. So in this question there is one confusion. This confusion is regarding the alternate angles. Rest question is very easy. Here R is there, here T is there. This angle is how much? 65. Here how much is there? And here P is how much? 90. Here this is Y. Y. This is X. This is how much? 28. Now we have to find the value of X and Y. You can see on the board it is very clearly written. Now what we will do? What we will do? Any idea? This question we can solve with the 2-3 methods. Alternate angle, now where it will come? Y equal to 20 is alternate angles. Corresponding angle, very excellent. How? What is the corresponding angle, Archit? Anybody have any idea? This question we can solve with the many method. Now see, listen carefully. If you remember, then you can explain. Otherwise, I am going to explain. So, no anyone know? See, we can do this question by the 2-3 method. First method you see, this angle you can here it is Q. है ना. Angle QRT is exterior angle. Which angle? Exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So this 65 will be equal to what? Suppose if I put here any angle, so it will be equal to this 65 because exterior angle is the sum of the two interior. Two interior which angle? Two opposite interior angles. Two opposite interior angles. Got it? So here we can write QRT equal to 65. This is which angle? Exterior angle. Here stand for exterior angle. Now here I am marking angle 1. I am assuming that here is the angle 1. Angle 1 plus 28 equal to how much?
65.
65. Now 1 will be equal to how much? 65 minus 28. What is the answer? 65 minus 28. What is the answer? 37. The x 1 is equal to 37. Now 1 and x they are which angle? Alternate interior angle. Any doubt?
No.
So 1 will be x will equal to how much? Angle 1. We can write here 1 is equal to
37.
I am writing here 1 is equal to x equal to 37 alternate interior angle. Now this angles we had studied. And now this you can see on the back. The one confusion is there. That confusion I want to make it clear. As you see at the back it is 37. You see the answer. So what is the answer at the back? X is equal to 37. And y equal to how much? 53. Now, okay. Now you all will come on the board. See, you saw the answer. Now my question is that why the y is not equal to 28? You thought it is the alternate angles. That if these two are the alternate angles, now then the y should be equal to how much? 20. But what you saw from the back? The y equal to how much? 53. So what is the reason?
Because these are not parallel.
Because there is no parallel. They are parallel. Given the parallel lines are given. Parallel lines is mentioned in the question.
These both are parallel.
No. Reason is there. Reason is there because if see you are forming here alternate angles and you are not forming here alternate angles. 1 and x you form alternate because lines are parallel. है But why we can't form y equal to 20? Because they are not forming. To form the alternate interior angle, it should come in the form of z. It should come in the form of z. I'll show you what is z. Suppose this is z. Angle should come here. Then they are the alternate interior angle. Now you see for the y. Y, can you see the it is z it is forming. Y we are getting here. And the 28 here we are getting here. They are not forming the form of the z. Understood?
Yes.
Not understood? When you form the alternate angle, it should come in the form of which? Z. Here the angle should come. Then only we can say they are the alternate angle. And the way you are getting the angles, these angles are alternate, these are not the alternate angles. Alright, understood? Therefore, y is not equal to 28. Normally 90% student write y equal to 28. Now what we'll do, we'll use the angle sum property. So here on 90 degree symbol you can see on the board. X value we got, y we can easily find. Write in triangle PQ, this is the S. In triangle PQS, 90 plus x plus y equal to 180 degree. 90 is given, x we have to find. What is the value of the x? 37. What is the value of y? We have to find from the figure. 90 plus 37 equal to how much? No.
127.
527. What is the 180 by 150? 3 is the answer. Got it?
Yes.
Now last question. Can I have the board?
Yes.
Can I have the board? The last is little difficult one. Turn the book. I can make the figure. Turn the book. This is which value? P. This here, here, R here, here. Okay, this is only figure. Huh? Okay, now see. What we have to prove in the question? QTR is equal to half angle QPR. And we have to prove that this to prove angle QTR is equal to 1 by 2 part of QPR. Any doubt? Now you see on the board, this question is really tough. So you have to read the question properly. So I am reading for you. You read along with me also. There are two figures are given, PQR and TQR. And it is written that this angle QT is the bisector of angle Q. What is written? QT is the bisector of angle Q. It means what? Q is divided to equal part. This Q is divided to equal part. And similarly PRS. RT is the bisector for what? PRS. That means R is divided into how many equal parts? Two equal parts. Which are two equal parts? PRT, PRS. Understood?
Yes.
So I am marking here A. Here B. Why it is AA? Because both are equal. The bisector means we divide the angles into two equal parts. And why it is BB? Because both are the same equal part. Bisector means we divide the angle into two equal parts. Suppose 90 degree. If the 90 degree is bisected by any line, then the angle will be how much? 45 and 45. But here we don't have the value of any angle. So I assume that this angle will be A, this angle will be also A. This angle will be B, this angle will be also B. Any doubt?
No.
Where you read the question? Read? Now see. Now all of you see on the board. What we are going to do? In triangle QTR, I am making a separate figure so you can understand this. This is the T, this is the Q, this is the R, and this is the S. And this angle is the B. Okay? For angle QTR, which is the exterior angle? Angle B. The angle B will be the equal to sum of two opposite interior angle. Which two interior angle? Angle Q and angle D. It will never equal to R because this is the adjacent angle. Understood? This is the adjacent angle. Any doubt? So angle PRS will be equal to angle P plus angle Q, and the never it will be equal to the angle R because this angle is adjacent angle. According to exterior angle property, it is opposite. The exterior angle is the sum of two opposite interior angle. Got it? Got it? So we can write this one. This we have to prove. Solution. In triangle T exterior angle. First we have to mention a triangle. For this triangle we have taken exterior angle. In triangle QTR, exterior angle PRS will be equal to angle QT. Now let me see on the board. PRS is equal to PRS will be equal to angle T plus angle Q.
Yes.
So what is the name of T? QTR. Yes or no?
Yes.
And what is the name of Q? TQR. है ना? So in place of TQR can I write angle A? Right. A plus QTR. And what is the value of the B? What is the value of the TRS? Angle?
B.
Angle B equal to what? Angle A plus angle
QTR.
QTR. Now B and A I can subtract. Say yes or no? B minus A will be equal to what?
QTR.
QTR. Any doubt? Why I am not going to put the value of QTR? Because this I have to prove in the question. This is the equation first. Now same way you take this figure also. P Q R. For P Q R, which is the exterior angle?
A.
For P Q R, which is the exterior angle? P Q R, which is the exterior angle?
R.
Angle P R, this is the exterior angle, na?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
P R is the exterior angle. So for if the P R is the exterior angle, it will be equal to what? Angle Q and angle B. What is the value of the PRS? PRS. What is the value for PRS?
2B.
2B. है ना? And what is the value of the Q?
2A.
2A. Got it? Got it?
Yes.
So we'll write here in triangle PQR. Two tan angle B. 2 tan angle B will be equal to 2 tan angle A. 2 tan angle A plus angle QPR. So 2 tan angle B minus 2 tan angle A equal to what? QPR. Now 2 we can take common. Angle B minus angle A equal to what? QPR. Now angle B minus angle A will be equal to QPR divided by what? 2. Any doubt? Now the last step you see carefully. Here till any doubt? Say yes or no?
No.
No. In place of angle B minus A, can I write QTR?
Yes.
Say yes or no? B minus A equal to what?
QTR.
So in place of you can write QTR equal to what? Angle PR2 upon 2. And this came from here equation first. This is the solution of the first question. Along with this chapter is also completed. Now each example question, each theorem are the equally important as we are solving the exercise. I hope you are practicing example at home now. Thank you.